Welcome guys, today I am with Amazfit PowerBuds and I'm going to show you how you can connect them with your iPhone. We got two different ways. The first one, we can make it simply by using Bluetooth settings. So you have to open Bluetooth settings on your iPhone, enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and next open case of your buds. Of course, remember to charge them at least to the 50%. On the back you can find power, the USB-C input, and then you have to open the case. Click and hold this button right here for a few seconds until this indicator starts blinking. So let's make it right now. Click and hold. Now release. As you can see, they pops on the list, so we can tap once on our earbuds. Then as you can see, after a few seconds we are connected. So right now we can go forward. I'm going to show you the second way. Right now we have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network or mobile data, and you have to open the App Store and get this application. This one you have to download, and after that you can simply open. Of course, you have to log in with your account. If you don't have account, you can create a new one, and when you make it, you will be presented with this screen in front of you. So the next step, we have to go for the profile, and right here we'll find devices. So we have to click right here, select earbuds, go for Amazfit PowerBuds. Right now we have to make the same steps by holding this case button, this one. So let's make it right now until this indicator starts blinking. So click and hold. Of course, you have to keep your earbuds in the case, like right here. Next you have to tap right here, keep them close to your iPhone, and as you can see, after a few seconds we will be successfully connected. You can skip this one, and as you can see, here we are in the application, so we can customize here a lot of different things. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.